Hi friends, welcome back to our CRUD operation with Post API using the Axios library. In the last class, we have discussed about the creation of the post using the post API. In this, we are going to edit or update the post using the put API. I am going to show the how previously we previously developed the one application for edit functionality. If you click on the in the any one of the post, if you click on the edit button, see this data will be get into the this input boxes, and this box also this here edit button also will be previously it is a add button, now it is a edit button. If you do any modification in this, I'm going to do the uh, modem modem support. If you do any modification in this edit title or news, if you click on the edit button, see this data will be this edited updated data will be shown in the this post again. So suppose in one more time I'm going to show. If you suppose I'm going to add this sixth this one instead of this, I'm going to change the title of this entire title lorem ipsum, and I'm going to do some changes here, and click on the edit button. See, sixth will be lorem ipsum and news. Like this, I'm going to recreate in the my application. First, I'm going to terminate this application and again start my uh, terminate this application. I'm going to start my CRUD application, run npm run dev, and see my application is created. My application is reloaded. If you click on this button, and it will be shown here, and if you update this data, and if you click on the edit button, the updated data will be shown again in the post. First, I'm going to create my API update post update method. Update method here I'm going to create edit post, export const update post equal to, here two things we are getting, one is the ID, second one is the post. Return API dot, in this API dot there is a method called put, like how post and get method, like this put method is there. In this put method we are going to take the /post dollar ID. We are going to show here how this will be work. Means there is a one website called, already we have, so I have shown this JSON placeholder typico.com. In this it will take the dynamic IDs. See, in the put method it will take the ID number, like host ID number or something item ID number. We are going to send, and comma we are going to send the post updated post. Come to the my post.jsx. Here I'm going to create one updated post and set updated post equal to use state. Going to state use state, and in the button we have to create one button like edit. Already I have created. In this it is take the class here on click method. I'm going to take handle update. Okay, you can take any name, handle update or handle edit, according to the your. Here instead of the passing the ID, I'm going to pass the entire this current element. Instead of passing this id, I'm going to pass the current element. Current element, where is this current element? We have to create this updated method, where here after this get all post, or you can create the above this, you can create anywhere. Handle update, const handle update equal to current element. Current element, you can take any name, or you can take the, okay, I'm leave with the current element of, you can set this data, set updated post, set updated post. I'm going to pass this data, current element. Current element consists of the, if you do console this, and not required, console is not required. Current element already consists of the these elements, like what elements? This id, title, and body. These three things will be have in the present in the this current element. We are going to passing into the my set update post. In this form, I'm going to change into the here updated post equal to updated post, and set updated post is equals to set updated post. I'm going to pass these two things here, like props, these two things, and update post and update. Okay, leave with the update post and set update post. I'm going to pass into the my forms component, use it like a props. In this, I'm going to get the update post also, update post, comma set update post, set update post. In this, I'm going to take one is empty, one element, like okay, you can take the is empty, one variable. Here I'm going to check that object dot keys of whether this update post is empty or not. If this empty, I'm going to leave with add button. If this not empty, I'm going to leave with I'm going to make it as a edit button. For that update post, mm, dot length equal to equal to 0. Here I'm going to use where this here is empty. I'm going to add, sorry, this one here question mark, and if it is empty, I'm going to add, I'm going to make it as a value add, or if it is not empty, I'm going to make it as a edit button. For this, I'm going to do one more thing here. For if the suppose data is there, suppose the updated post is some data is there. The data I'm going to update to this post. How I'm going to update? Using there is a hook called use effect hook. When the initial render or update post, there is a modification in this update post. I'm going to write one like say update post equal to and set post. And this is there is a elements in there is a properties in the update post. Then I'm going to update this one, like set post title equal to update post dot title, or if the data is not there, I'm going to leave it empty. Body, and same like body, update post dot body if we leave it empty. I'm going to update only when the first initial render or any update in the update post. And I'm going to make it as a this one. This instead of the handle submit, I'm going to create one more add post. Add post. Here I'm going to make it as a asynchronous, and here I'm going to call add post function. You can remove this instead of async keyword. Here I'm going to check this action. Here I'm going to check one more action called console dot event dot native. There is a code. First I'm going to check. I don't remember that name, but I'm going to first do the console this event. In this console, I'm going to trigger this value, trigger the value using some event. There is a some dot event dot native event dot submitted dot value is there, but I don't know. I did not remember that. For that only, I'm going to checking this, or we can do the some more else other case also we can do using this. How to check this? How to make it as a add post and how to make it as a edit post when we are going to make it as a add post, or when we're going to make it as a edit post. For that only, I'm going to check this action submit value. First I'm going to make it as I'm going to do the console for this from here. Let's check this. Okay, go to the my application and open the inspect console. If we click on some data, I'm taking Shikri React.js, and do this. It is lightweight. If you click on this, add I got this. That is a event dot native event, and submit. There is a insert this native event. Uh, submitter in this value. Okay. Okay, we got it. This. There is that. We got it. We're going to see this event dot native event dot submitter dot value. This is the actual value. Once again, checking purpose, I have did the here console. If we click on here ipsum lorem ipsum is the old of do this. Click on the add. Okay, we got the value. If we do we got the value, and use the if condition equal to click on add button. Click on equal to add button. I'm going to add post. In this case, I'm going to add post. And if you, in the case of else, if event dot native event dot submitter dot value equal to edit. In this case, edit means same. This value and this value should be equal. Edit. I'm going to edit the post. Here I'm going to create one more functionality called edit post. Edit post asynchronous. Do the try catch functionality, and console dot log off error, and get the response equal to await update post. Update post is coming from the Here we are going to give the update post coming from the update post. Here coming from the post.api.js. This one here from here. If you want to, you can copy and paste this update post. Okay, update post, or you can make it as a edit post. Edit post. There is some name edit post. There is a name collision is there. That's why I'm going to make it as an edit post. Here, where is that? Here, you can take this edit post. Update here, edit post. And in this edit post, we are going to pass the in there we are going to pass the ID and post in this form. Where is this? Here ID update input, sorry, update post dot id. It is coming from here, update post dot id. And one more is update one more thing is this post. This post semicolon. If that response dot status, if response dot status greater than or equal to, I don't know the response status number, that's why I'm making as a 200 and 299 in the response dot status of less than or equal to 299. If this response status is in this 200 and 299, I'm going to do the update the changes into the my post. For that, update data in this, I'm taking the previous data, or you can take the previous data. I'm going to take like this. Here I'm going to return previous data dot filter dot sorry, not filter, map. We are going to update into the set data previous data dot map, and I'm going to take current element, like each and every element. For that, current element dot id equal to, I'm going to compare with response, this response dot data dot id. If this, in this case, I'm going to update with a new data like post. Data means this response dot data, or I'm going to leave with a current element, response dot data dot id, and I'm comparing. If this equal, I'm going to make it as a response dot data, like updated data, or other I'm going to leave with a current element. After completion of this, you have to set the post data into title with empty and body with empty, title with empty and body with empty, and this set update post also, I'm leave it empty, leaving with empty. If you want to do, go for the testing purpose, open my browser, or if you want to refresh this, you can terminate the console and npm run dev. See, localhost column 5173. Once again, refresh the application. Okay, my application is reloaded. If you want to enter new item, you can add this lorem ipsum, and do this lorem ipsum some content. You can add this. the new data will be coming here. If you want to update any one of this, suppose I'm going to update this third element. See, data is there here. Data is popped into the data will be get into the my input form element, and this button also change it to the edit. If you do something like a, suppose I'm going to here quantum quantum electronics, suppose I'm writing some name quantum electronics. Here I'm going to change it to quantum quantum electronics is a subject of of physics in the some content, some unmeaningful content I have written. If you click on this add button, see why it is taking that so much time. Type error, cannot read the properties of the undefined status response this status. See some error we got. Where the error is got. 40 in the presence of 40. Here we got the error. Response, here I'm going to write one more response. Here I'm going to write update updated response. If you do once again refresh, if you click on this second item, if you do changes modified content, modified support, and click on the edit button. It is taking so much. What is the problem? Maximum call stack size exceeded. Range, we cannot read the property of undefined status is undefined. Response const await and edit post. API.put it post ID comma post and slash. We got the post. Once again refer the documentation. It is not big. If you want to refer, see guidance for the usage example. It is get resources, list all resources, creation of resources, and update resources. It is update resources. Here we are going to see this put method, and here we given the one element, but see put method and updated data is this one, and address is content type and application slash JSON, and set response is equal to response.json. You click on this any one of the item, third item. Suppose I'm clicking on this third item. Suppose I'm going to change the title and click on this. Yeah, I'm getting the error. Forms handle submit event that prevent default. We click on this. To do update post dot id comma post. Once again console this. We click refresh this application and edit first item and see this and click on this add edit button. Console.log off here event synthetic element and in this uh, event dot native event in this target. In this target there is a submitter dot value. Submitter dot value. Edit we got. Edit post we got. Edit post we got. Maybe I think this edit post and this edit post will be same. That's why. Okay. Due to this name collision, that's why I'm getting the running this twice. Okay. The post and updated post. Okay. Handle add post. Handle add post. Handle edit post. Handle this edit post. Maybe okay guys, friends, I got this. I got the solution for this name collision here happening in this here. That's why we are getting the error. There is a not big mistake. Once again I'm repeating guys, there is a here there is a name collision happening here. Handle the edit post and handle the this edit post. That's why I have changed it to this handle edit post. You can make this as a after debugging this I got the solution. Here change it to here handle edit post. Sorry, here it is a add post. Handle add post, capital A, handle add post, handle edit post. The name collision happened here, like how previously update post and update post here. That's why I have changed it to edit post. But again, we got the name collision here also. That's why I have changed it to here. Instead of this edit post, I have changed it to handle edit post. This one also handle add post and some meaningful name. That's why if you trigger this add button, it will trigger the handle post this one. If you trigger the if you click on this edit, it will trigger the handle edit post this one, this functionality. Not at all big mistake guys. There is a collision with the names. function name. That's why we are getting the this big error. That's why we are my application is my application is triggering loops like triggering the same functionality so many times. That's why I got the solution is like I got the like answer is like a and that name collision happening here. Due to that name collision only, my function is rendering multiple times or infinite times. Um, like itself is calling this function. Like if you see that previously this is edit post. Actually, this function only it is calling infinite times. That's why my my application triggering the some multiple times if we click on the edit button. That's why I have changed it to make it as a handle edit post and come to the my browser. Once again refresh this browser, or you can restart the this web browser, restart this application also. npm npm run dev. Second run, we are going to test the application. See, if you click on, if you do the lorem ipsum, first I'm going to do test my add functionality and lorem ipsum and click on this add button. See, we got the add of added we have added the created the one post, and if you want to update, I'm going to update the my fourth post. If you click on here edit button in the fourth post and update this quantum quantum electronics and update here also, and electronics quantum electronics, do some changes here. Okay, and click on the edit button. See, update response we have. See here in the fourth post, if you observe here, title is quantum electronics ipsum site aunt, and in this also there is a we have updated quantum electronics in here. If you want to update this any one of this post, like if you suppose I'm going to update this eighth post, I have clicked on the eighth post. See, we got the magnum felicis anthem, and here we can change the required multiple required multiple tasks. I have added this title, and here uh, tasks like tasks is a gain knowledge, some data, some content I have added, gain knowledge, gain improve knowledge, or improve knowledge, gain knowledge, improve knowledge. If you click on this edit button, see button also change it to added, and it will this button, this input tags will be gone to the empty. If you go to the this eighth post, it is this eighth post, maximum felices anthem required multiple tasks, and this also dollar task is a improved knowledge, and some content I had it. If you want to delete, can perform the delete operation also. See, 12th post is deleted, that is becomes the 12th post. See, we have completed the fourth task like a creation of the post, edit the post, and get all the post. Get all post means this is the get all post, and delete the post. Go to my here, come here. We have done this. We have done this update also, update post. That's all, friends. If you like my content and if you like my explanation, please like and support my channel, and